The flood mitigation project in Lembah Bertam, Cameron Highlands is expected to be completed by November 2015, said Natural Resources and Environment Minister Datuk Sri G. Palanivel. He said the 40 million ringgit project, built with the federal government allocation, involved works to widen and deepen Sungai Bertam to prevent flash floods to be repeated.
Diorang sudah mula kerja. They are doing the embankment, building the cement walls, and then we are trying to protect the area lah. Dan yang di sini pun they are already doing all the concrete, the granite, this, that, everything they are protecting.
Palanivel, who is also the MP for Cameron Highlands, said residents living near the river would be relocated to the One Malaysia People's Housing Project, but this would not be possible if the residents decline to move from the high-risk area.
Kalau kita pindah mereka duduk di tepi sungai, the kerajaan negeri dan kerajaan pusat boleh beri diorang pampasan, and they boleh shift to prima housing. Orang tak perlu duduk di tepi sungai. That's a major crisis for us.
He added it was fine for farming activities to be carried out within the valley, but farming extending agricultural activities by intruding into the forest was unacceptable.